Welcome to One Geeky channel. If you love technology news and want to be updated, please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. In this video we are going to talk about the intelligence of Samsung S10, the next generation phone that intelligently adapts to you so you do not have to adapt to it. Next level intelligence, the phone that learns your habit to blend seamlessly into your day. Intelligent performance makes your phone more efficient. No need to your phone usage. Intelligent performance enhancer recognizes your phone habits, optimizing the way you interact with your phone. Even anticipating your needs by preloading your frequently used apps so that they launch instantly. Pixel routines optimizes your daily life. Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus adapt your life, reducing the blue light and turning on night mode to get your eyes ready for bed. And if you fall asleep without charging your phone, it turns off unnecessary functions to help save battery life. It even keeps your phone unlocked and play music when you get in your car, or you can customize to your needs with my routine. The new feature Pixel allows you to focus on the most matter things to you and frees you from the unnecessary things. You can do more with the Pixel, like if you ask the phone, make a call or send a text message with your Galaxy Buds. All you have to do is call up Pixel. Pixel will recognize your distinct voice and get straight to work. Like if you ask, send a message to my friend and ask him meet me in a party. Pixel will automatically convert your voice into text and send a text message to your friend. Pixel have a vision which sees the word in a different way and your eyes cannot see like that way. Get the information you need faster with Pixel next level vision intelligence. Simply point your camera at something you want to translate, buy or eat, and Pixel Vision will show you what you are looking for. Like if you want to know the nutritional value of a fruit, take a picture of that fruit and ask the Pixel to tell you about the nutritional value of that fruit. Pixel would search about the nutrients in that fruit and would tell you about the best eating strategies and using of that food. There is another feature called NPU in Samsung Galaxy S10. NPU stands for Neural Processing Unit, a processor that makes ordinary things extraordinary. NPU changes how you capture and see the world through your phone. Samsung has made a smarter camera by enhancing the capability of Neural Processing Unit, so it recognizes more scenes with greater accuracy. It's how Galaxy S10 and S10 detect your environment with Scene Optimizer and see more with Pixel Vision. The Scene Optimizer is more accurate than previously Galaxy models, which enhances the capability to recognize objects and scenes. Pixel Vision Lens mode in Pixel Vision recognizes what's in frame, like food or documents, and uses that to make your shopping and searching faster and smarter. Machine learning. This is the new feature in Samsung Galaxy S10, the phone that knows how to make an impression. Shoot suggestions guide you to take the stunning photos. Bad shots are things to post. Pulling from a library of over 100 million high-quality photos, Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus recommends you a way to compare your own professional-looking photos. AR emoji detects your face to create your digital double. Galaxy S10 and S10 Plus recognize your unique features and transform them into an emoji with incredible personality. Machine learning is also how the phone tracks your facial and body movements to bring your AR emoji to life.